Oh, are we rolling? Yeah. Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. The last video I uploaded was when term 5 began. It was around 7th or 8th of September. Today is 5th of October, so almost एक महीना हो चुका है since I uploaded that video. So I thought मैं major updates share कर देता हूँ आप लोगों के साथ में of what all happened in this month. So around 8 sessions हो चुके हैं हम लोग के हर subject में academically और काफ़ी enjoy कर रहा हूँ मैं this term because some new subjects like machine learning was something that I was not exposed to in my life. So getting exposed to that kind of subjects is something that is really exciting me. Apart from that, placement season has also begun. So managing academics as well as placements is the task. Now this is one thing of what's happening in my life. Secondly, I wanted to talk about of how I think मैं जब videos बनाता हूँ तो I just keep sharing of how is the life in IIM, and what's happened in my life. So I think that after a certain point gets monotonous. Because I can just introduce new camera angles and can improve my storytelling, but then it in a way will get monotonous. So to deal with that, I thought, along with the video, along with showing you how's the live going, I'll talk about one thing in the video, something that I've learned with experience over time, और जो आप लोगों को help कर सकता है, because I assume most of you watching me are students, so I think it is going to help you as well. So ऐसे ही एक टॉपिक मेरे माइंड में जो आ जाएगा जिसके बारे में मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ is how do you prepare for CAT? What was my approach and what would I advise you who has been through the journey and seen everything, right? This is primarily for aspirants who are preparing for CAT 26. But then if you're giving CAT 25 तो ये आप लोग भी अपने उसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So I'll give 3 advices on how's my journey been, what I've learned from my experiences, from my friends who prepared alongside me, उनके experiences, and all the colleagues and people I met along the way. शुरू करते हैं. So the first advice I would give anyone preparing for CAT 26 or 25 for that matter is give equal attention to all the 3 sections. Guys, I've seen people who have 99.6 percentile, who have a 99.8 in VRC, 99.9 in LRDI, but have a 16 points. That does not really help. That won't take you anywhere. You won't be applicable in most of the colleges. So ये नहीं करना है. You need to give equal attention to all the 3 subjects or the 3 parts that CAT has. और अगर आपको लगता है कोई particular part आपका weak है, give it extra time. But make sure कि आप तीनों sections जो हैं उसको equal weightage दे रहे हो, equal attention दे रहे हो. That's one. Okay, it's time for my class. तो अभी class जाते हैं. लंच करते हैं आके I'll share advice number 2. Let's go. Okay, so अभी just class से वापस आया, could not record anything there. Phone dead हो गया था, so just came back from the class. अभी जाके lunch करते हैं. I'll come back and share the next advice. Hi, so just had lunch, came back, and now let's continue the video and talk about the second advice I would give anyone preparing for CAT. My second advice would be to give enough mocks. See, a very big problem I see with a lot of students is that they don't give enough mocks. Matlab, they prepare a lot, they will go through every topic, but in the pursuit of completing the syllabus, they keep delaying the process of giving mocks, I think, which is something I would definitely not advise anyone. I would say as soon as August or September approaches, आप mocks देना start कर दें. I would say in September you can give mocks, 1 mock every week. October में frequency बढ़ा सकते हैं, and then by November you should be giving mocks every 3rd day or so. The idea is to understand the exam setting, right? Mocks में आपके पास 2 hours की एक dedicated window होती है जिसमें आपको वो exam complete करना होता है with 40 dedicated minutes to each section. So उसमें आपको idea लगता है कि आप कितना section attempt कर पाओगे, आपकी strategy क्या होगी. All of these things are formulated when you give enough mocks. So the more number of times you practice that process of giving mocks, it will actually replicate the exam setting. So जितना ज़्यादा आप उससे exposed होगे उतना ज़्यादा chances हैं कि आप actual exam में ace कर पाओगे. इसीलिए my second advice would be to keep giving mocks. I've seen toppers give close to 25 to 30 mocks. तो इसलिए मैं आपको suggest करूँगा please give enough mocks. Try to hit a number of around 25 mocks. That would really help you. Also, if you're preparing for CAT 2025 and have not purchased any mock series yet, or you're preparing for CAT 26 and want to get an idea of where you stand, you can check out iQuanta's free mock test series. You will get highly relatable CAT level questions, similar mock user interface as CAT, great AI analysis which will give you feedback on your preparation gaps. You will also get text and video solutions that help you truly understand the solution to each questions. With it, you will also get rank and sectional percentile, a goal tracker, and a strategy builder tool, which will recommend what topics you need more practice on. And if you like their free mock tests, you can go on to purchase their full-length mock test series, which will give you 35 full-length mocks along with 45 sectionals, all of it just at 1,999. If you want to check out more about this CAT mock test series, you can check the link in the description. You can also join their free CAT preparation group to get access to a lot of resources and updates about the CAT exam, the link to which I'll again give in the description. थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़ के उठा और थोड़ी देर के लिए सो गया. उठ के देखा तो मौसम बहुत प्यारा हो रहा है. I'll show you guys. Follow. क्लास से वापस आ चुके हैं. मौसम काफी अच्छा हो रहा है और इसी के साथ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द थर्ड एडवाइस, एंड दिस इज बाय फार द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एडवाइस जो मैं आप लोगों को दूंगा. सो लिसन केयरफुली. द एडवाइस इज टेक इट वन डे एट अ टाइम एंड एस दैट डे. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय दिस? अभी कुछ टाइम पहले द सेकेंड लास्ट वीडियो अपलोडेड, उसमें मैंने कमेंट्स में कहा था कि इफ एनीबडी हैज एनी क्वेरी यू कैन ड्रॉप योर क्वेरी ऑन एन ईमेल व्हिच आई शेयर्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो काफी सारे लोगों ने मेरे को मेल ड्रॉप किया. Then when I connected with those people, I got to realize कि काफी सारे लोग confused थे कि whether I should go for CAT or not because I am not good academically. My advice to those people was you should definitely go for CAT. The beautiful thing about competitive exams, इसमें the people who have the best IQs do not necessarily ace. Who ace this exam are the people who are persistent and consistent. So an exam like CAT is not like a 100-meter race, but it's a marathon. आपको कंसिस्टेंटली रोज शो अप करना है. that's what this is about, right? Are you able to show up every day? आज मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. Can I take that excitement and double down on my preparation? और let's say एक दूसरा दिन जब मेरा पढ़ने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है, can I still show up? Because those are the days that matters the most. So it's about showing up every day, being consistent and persistent. For example, मेरी approach had always been I used to take one day at a time. मैं बस आज का दिन लूंगा और इसको एस करूंगा. बिकॉज अगर मैं डाउन द लाइन कैट एग्जाम को देखता हूँ कि इतना टाइम बचा है, इतना करने को बचा है, तो आई विल गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड कि कितना सारा है, एंड आई एम नॉट अचीविंग एनफ. People are getting this percentile, that percentile in mocks, and why am I not getting that percentile? You do not need to think about any of those things. What you need to think about is, am I winning the day? आपको बस आज का दिन जीतना है, that's it. आप अपने टारगेट सेट करो डे के, and then achieve those targets. What I used to do, मैं एक दिन पहले लिख लेता था कि मुझे नेक्स्ट डे क्या अचीव करना है इन VARC, इन LRDA, इन क्वांट्स, और मैं अगले दिन बस ट्राई करता था कि मुझे बस ये अचीव करना है, दैट्स इट. आई वोंट थिंक अबाउट नेक्स्ट डे. आई वोंट थिंक अबाउट कि मेरे मॉक में कितने मार्क्स आएंगे. I did not think about any of those things. I just thought about what I am going to achieve today and whether I am able to achieve it or not. तो ये small wins आपको रोज करनी है, तब जाके आप एक बड़ा बैटल जीत पाओगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे जो कैट मेंटोर थे उन्होंने मुझे रिकमेंड किया था दैट यू ट्राई टू गिव 4 LRDA sets every day, 25 quant questions, and then try to give 2 VRC comprehensions and then read newspaper and 1 EON essay. So मेरा टारगेट बस यही होता था. I just want to get done with it. 4 LRDA sets, 25 quant questions, and 2 RC passage along with newspaper and EON essays. That's it. I did not think about anything else. So yeah, that is what I would suggest you कि आप just take it one day at a time और आप दिन एस करने का ट्राई करो. Win the battles, you will definitely win the war. With that, I wish all the very best to everyone who's planning to give CAT this year or is planning to go on this journey of preparing for CAT. I hope आप सब लोग एस करो, you land up in your dream colleges. With that, I will conclude this video. All the very best. Just remember, you are the best. Cheers.